This is chapter 6, periodic properties, homework, problem number 6. Rank the elements in each of the following sites in order of increasing atomic radius. So basically the size of those atoms. Please recall this chart. Okay, the blue one that shows going, okay, so referring to a periodic table. So from right to left, you see the arrow direction is the increasing radii of atoms and their ions. So which means from the right to the left, the size of atoms or ions in general increasing. From top to bottom, same thing. Okay, so the ones in the first period, they should be smaller than the ones in the second period, and so on and so forth. Okay, so therefore you simply just need to remember right to left, top to bottom, that's the increasing order. Okay, having that in mind, now we just need to find the location of those 4 elements in the periodic table. Okay, so beryllium is right here, number 4. Magnesium, number 12. Strontium, number 38. Barium, number 56. What do they have in common? All of those 4 elements are in the same family or same group, group 2A or group 2. Okay, so then bring this one back again. The size of atoms increases from top to bottom. So therefore we can easily solve this question now. So the largest one should be barium. All right, okay. So let me put that down. Barium, that's the largest one. Because we are asked to arrange in the order of increasing atomic radius, all right? So therefore the largest one, I'll put that last. Strontium, magnesium, and then barium is the smallest one. So that's for A. And now let's take a look at B. So all 4 elements, they are found actually in the second period right here. So you have carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. Okay, bring this chart back again. So the radii of atoms increases from right to left. Therefore, that tells us oxygen should be the largest one. No, fluorine, I'm sorry. So fluorine. All right, so yeah, let me make a corrections. So again, the radii of atoms, so that should be increasing from right to the left if you follow this green arrow. So therefore the 4 elements in question, so fluorine should be the smallest one, and then carbon should be the largest one. All right, therefore the correct order should be fluorine, smallest one, and then oxygen is a little bit larger than fluorine but smaller than nitrogen, and then carbon should be the largest one or the longest radii among the 4. Okay, you see, because it increases from right to left. That's question number 6. This is a chapter 6 periodic properties homework question. Number 7. Write the following from largest to smallest size. In other words, write the order of decreasing size. You see, from largest to smallest. So largest one should be on the left-hand side, and the smallest one should be on the right-hand side. Let's take a look at this chart again. So the size of atoms or ions again increases from right to left, increases from top to bottom. Okay? But since in this question you have both ions and atoms, so that's why we need the help from this chart. Okay, so again, you see the general trend. So it's the same as the one shows here. You see, so that's the trend: left to right to left, top to down. And here, of course, that should be the same. Only you will see the gray ones are the elements, and then the red ones are the cations, okay, of their corresponding cations. For example, lithium, you see, just a lithium atom is much larger than lithium plus, 1 plus. So is the case with the sodium. You see, sodium, the gray one, is much larger than the sodium ion. Why? Because what does those positive sign mean here? Losing electron. Losing 1 electron, they lost the outermost shell. So therefore, the N number decreases for the ions, decreases by 1. And that's a big deal. So knowing that, we can easily solve this problem now. Okay, in the question, we have calcium and magnesium. Okay, so calcium is right here. Magnesium is above calcium. So which means the calcium size should be larger than magnesium. All right? Okay. So I write down then calcium 2 plus is, oh, this is wrong. That should be larger than that. Okay, here we go now. So calcium 2 plus should be larger than magnesium 2 plus. All right? Because this arrow diagram also means it's not only for the atom, but also for their corresponding ions. So now the question is, where should this calcium atom be? Now let's bring back this chart. So the neutral atoms should be always larger than their corresponding cations. All right? So therefore, calcium should be larger than calcium 2 plus. Okay, you see that here. So that's a calcium atom. And here, the small red one is calcium 2 plus, is the ion. So now we know calcium should be the largest one among the 3. Yeah, that's question number 7.